Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In previous video, we have started 3 mark numericals from chapter trigonometry. In this video, we will go for next problems in this chapter. So in previous video, we have completed 8 numericals. So here we are starting next numerical. So here question is prove that cot A upon 1 minus cot A plus tan A upon 1 minus tan A is equal to minus 1. So for that purpose take LHS. LHS is cot A upon 1 minus cot A plus tan A upon 1 minus tan A. So after simplifying further, it becomes cot A into 1 minus tan A plus tan A into 1 minus cot A upon 1 minus cot A into 1 minus tan A. Okay, so solve these brackets. We get cot A minus cot A into tan A plus tan A minus tan A into cot A in numerator. In denominator, we get 1 minus cot A minus tan A plus tan A cot A. But we know that tan A into cot A is 1. So replacing here, we get cot A minus 1 plus tan A minus 1 upon 1 minus cot A minus tan A plus 1. Now if you observe in numerator, here minus 1 it is minus 2, cot A is positive, tan A is positive. Now I have taken here minus sign common, so minus 2 becomes here plus 2, cot A plus cot A becomes minus cot A plus tan A becomes minus tan A, and in denominator we have 1 plus 1 2 minus cot A minus tan A. So these two terms are equal and get cancelled to each other. So this is becomes minus 1 and this is our RHS. Okay, so next is prove that under root 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So consider again LHS. It becomes, it is under root 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A. So to prove that, we have here multiply LHS by under root 1 plus cos A and divided by same. Okay, so it becomes in numerator under root 1 plus cos A into under root 1 plus cos A upon under root 1 minus cos A into under root 1 plus cos A. So in numerator it becomes under root 1 plus cos A bracket square, and in denominator it becomes under root 1 minus cos square A. Okay, so in numerator square and square root get cancelled, so it remains only 1 plus cos A. In denominator 1 minus cos square A, it is sin square A, and in next step this square and square root get cancelled, so it remains just sin A. Now separate out denominator, we get 1 upon sin A plus cos A upon sin A, but 1 upon sin A is cosec A, cos upon sin is cot A, so it becomes cosec A plus cot A, and this is our RHS. Okay, next is prove that sin raised to 4A minus cos raised to 4A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A. So here again consider LHS. It is sin raised to 4A minus cos raised to 4A. Sin raised to 4A can be written as sin square A bracket square minus cos raised to 4A can be written as cos square A bracket square. So here if you assume sin square A as a, cos square A as a b, so it is simply a square minus b square. So it can be written as in first bracket a plus b into second bracket a minus b. So writing here, we get sin square A plus cos square A into second bracket sin square A minus cos square A. But sin square A plus cos square is 1, so it remains just sin square A minus cos square A. Okay, but in RHS we want only cos square term, so replace sin square by cos square. We have sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A here. Okay, so using this we can write 1 minus sin cos square A minus cos square a is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square a. So this is our RHS. Next, prove that sec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta. So consider LHS. It is sec square theta minus cos square theta, but sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, and cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now when we open this bracket, then it is 1 plus tan square theta. After opening this bracket, due to minus sign, plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus sin square theta becomes plus sin square theta. So it is simply, next step becomes tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, and this is our RHS. Next is prove that cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So here we have considered here RHS. It is simply sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. In next step, we are multiplying and dividing LHS by term 1 minus cos theta. So it becomes sin theta into 1 minus cos theta in numerator. In denominator it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, but 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Okay, so it becomes sin theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sin square theta. 1 sin theta in numerator and denominator get cancelled, so finally it becomes 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. And when we separate out denominators, numerator, sorry, we get 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. 1 minus sin is cosec and cos upon sin is cot, and this is our RHS. Okay, next is in triangle ABC, cos C is 12 upon 13, BC is 24. Find AC. So assuming angle B as a 90 degree, here we have drawn triangle ABC as a right angle triangle. Cos C is given. So here by definition cos C is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, so BC upon AC, but its value is given 12 upon 13. So BC becomes 12k, AC becomes 13k, but value of BC is directly given 24. So comparing, we get 12k is equal to 24, that gives k is equal to 2. So put this value here, AC is equal to 13k, so AC becomes 13 into 2, that is 26. Next, prove that 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So consider here LHS separately first. So LHS is 1 plus sec a upon sec a. So separate out numerators, it becomes 1 upon sec a plus sec a upon sec a. So 1 upon sec a is cos a, sec upon sec is 1. So it becomes cos a plus 1. In RHS we have sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a and 1 minus cos a as it is. So here again it is a square minus b square. So it is, first bracket it is a minus b, that is 1 minus cos a. In second bracket it is 1 plus cos a upon 1 minus cos a. Then 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a get cancelled. So only remaining is 1 plus cos a in RHS. Then after, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Then in 16th, given is sin A is 3 upon 5, then show that 4 tan A plus 3 tan A is equal to 4 cos A. So there is one printing mistake. It is actually 4 tan A plus 3 sin A is equal to 6 cos A. So correct down this, 3 tan A is nothing but, sorry, 3 tan A is replaced here by 3 sin A. Okay, so according to given data, we have drawn here triangle. Angle A is given 3 upon 5. So sin A is BC upon AC from this figure, but its value is given 3 upon 5. So becomes BC becomes 3k, AC becomes 5k here. Okay, now use Pythagoras theorem to find out remaining side. So using Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and putting value we get AB as a 4. Okay, then first find out what is tan A. So tan A is nothing but ratio of opposite side upon adjacent side, that is BC upon AC, BC upon AB, sorry. So putting this value we get tan A is equal to 3 upon 4. Similarly cos A we get AB upon AC, so it becomes 4 upon 5. Okay, so here we got value of sin A, value of tan A, and value of cos A we got. Now use this value in given relation. So use this value in LHS, it is 4 into tan A plus 3 sin A, but tan A here it is 3 upon 4, and cos A is 4 upon 5, and sin A is given directly 3 upon 5. So putting this value we get finally it is 24 upon 5, but 24 can be written as 6 into 4 here. Okay, but 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5 is nothing but here cos A. Okay, so 6 into 4 upon 5 is cos A, so it is 6 cos A. So this is RHS. Okay, the next is prove that 1 plus sin B upon cos B plus cos B upon 1 plus sin B is equal to 2 sec B. So here first take addition of these two fractions, so it becomes 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into cos theta upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, it becomes 1 plus sin theta bracket square, cos into cos become cos square theta, in denominator it is cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So after expansion of 1 plus sin square theta, sorry 1 plus sin theta bracket square, we get it as 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta and plus cos square theta, and upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so it becomes 1 plus 2 sin theta plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and plus 2 sin theta, and then when we take common 2 as a common, remaining is 1 plus sin theta only, and upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta get cancelled, so it becomes 2 upon cos theta, but 1 upon cos is sec, so it becomes 2 sec theta. So this is nothing but our RHS here. Okay, so in this way we have completed 3 mark numericals from chapter trigonometry. Okay, in next video we will discuss 4 mark numericals from trigonometry chapter. If you have any doubt, you can contact to us on this WhatsApp number provided. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.